We're at the side entrance of the Gateway Travel Plaza. Also got some old ones down in the main entrance. We got a brand new elevator, GAL Jet II VPWI. Let's go down. It's right here. The lobby, which is the main floor again with this lantern. We'll go down to 1, which it's supposed to do that for some stupid reason. It nudges every time it closes. I guess for safety reasons. Really loud and annoying. You're at 1. The fan's also fairly annoying, but not nearly as annoying as the beep. We'll go up to 2. For some reason, 1's red while L and 2 are blue. This door close doesn't work. Now it's going to nudge. It's going to beep. Closes slowly, and that's a very loud, obnoxious beep. Ugh. See, it's an eastern from Windber, which is not too far from Johnstown. Hospital-sized cabin, 2-speed door is rather interesting, because this is the only elevator in the building that was added. It came into service fairly recently, I think, because back in August it still wasn't when AdazElevatorz. You're here at 2. Back down the lobby. Driver entrance exit. Here's your ADA phone. Above the buttons, there's your key switches. Eastern elevator. Class A loading, and it's going to beep again. Oh, that's annoying. Big brother, but I think it's for safety reasons. Basic cab, that's a very bad place for the camera because it's only monitoring that side, and then there's another set of door there. They're fake flooring. Basic hospital size cab, I already said. We got some eastern when I made use of the fixtures. On the outside, I was right. Lobby. Super annoying.